Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase digital transformation with SAP Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. Digital transformation is a pivotal journey for many organizations today. SAP Cloud provides a comprehensive environment to support this transformation. Begin by assessing your organization's current digital landscape. Identify the key areas that require improvement. Consider processes, systems, and technologies that may benefit from integration. Next, establish a clear vision for your digital transformation goals. Set measurable objectives that align with your overall business strategy. Engage stakeholders across different departments to gather insights. This collaboration fosters a sense of ownership and commitment to the transformation process. Explore the various SAP Cloud solutions available. Familiarize yourself with offerings such as SAP S/4HANA Cloud and SAP Business Technology Platform. Evaluate which solutions best meet your organization's needs. Once you've made your decision, develop a strategic plan for implementation. This plan should outline timelines, resources, and key performance indicators. Initiate the implementation by assembling a skilled project team. Ensure team members have adequate training on SAP technologies. Develop a phased approach to implementation, starting with high-impact areas. Monitor progress closely throughout the implementation process. Regularly review and adjust your strategy as necessary. Promote a culture of continuous learning and adaptation within your organization. After implementation, focus on maximizing the use of SAP Cloud features. Leverage analytics and real-time data for informed decision-making. Encourage teams to explore automation and integration opportunities. Evaluate outcomes against your initial objectives. Capture lessons learned to refine future digital transformation efforts. Finally, maintain open lines of communication with stakeholders. Regular updates will keep everyone aligned and engaged in the ongoing process. These steps will help ensure a successful digital transformation with SAP Cloud. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.